Good evening everyone. I am Saranya, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Engineering. Now I am topic is a case study on CODA file system. What is a CODA file system? It is a network file system and it is a descendant of the Andrew file system. It was designed to be a highly secure, available and transparent to its users. The Andrew file system is an architecture of CODA is based on the Andrew file system. The AFS was developed and Cambridge, Cambridge, Melbourne University. It was designed to support the CMU community, that means the serving the 10,000 workstations. The limitations of AFS is replication posed scaling problems, non-availability of services when serves a network component fail, no catering for mobile uses of the portable computers. How does CODA is work? It was by implementing two complementary functionalities. One is an availability of files by replicating a file volume across maybe serves disconnected mode of operation by catching files at the file client machines. The AFS architecture of CODA file system is divided into the two types of nodes. One is a dedicated file servers, another one is an client machines. The client machines is the several kind of the file systems. One is in client, another one is in file and data servers, system control machine and backup machines. A cells contains the several kind of machines or including of course the clients. The client is a machines which can see the cells of the CODA file system. The clients the cache in the virtual memory or disk. It is 100 to 200 MB of cache manages in the Venus. The client machines has the area is called as the cache the file system. Data says the temporarily. In the internal organization of the virtual workstation is an two kinds. One is in Venus, another one is in virtual file system. The Venus is a process that is hosted on the each virtual system. Virtual file system is interrupted the calls from the client applications or user processes and forward them the either to be a local file system or Venuses. It is the communications of the CODA file system is the remote procedure calls. The server keeps the sending the backup messages and the client that it's still working on the problem. Its server dies and the client notice that the not receiving the any messages. It reports back failure to the client applications. So the caching the volumes of the communication is a virtual partition mounted globally, quota cloning and different kinds of volumes. The building the block of the CODA file system in the volumes. If they are like fog, the copy on right occupies the same spaces like a collection of hard links. One copy is read only, helps the backups and use the replicated values of the cloning uh, in the file systems. systems. The server notice the updated in the file. It must be a client in which catching a copy of the individual invalidate of that copies. This the types of volume is an CODA network file system is a sample of read and write. Read only the examples of backup. That's it. In the replicated is an read only. Replicated is the another process of read or write into the CODAs only. We have the already seen the types of volume in the simple read and write volume and read only volume in the process. The communications of network file system in the two ways of in the invalidate in the file systems. One is an sending invalidation message in the one at the time. The another one is an sending invalidation messages in the parallel. The disconnections and disconnected operations in the uh, file system is a mobile computing, accidental disconnection, high availability, deliberate disconnection, hoarding, um, reconnecting, fixing conflicts. Yeah, this idea of disconnected operation is central to the CODA and was a part of design from the beginning. It the earliest CODA paper seeks of the mobile computing. A client may be a loss of contact which the cells they serves accidentally, whether through network failure or because serves go down or the reliability because of you are removing the client or because networking over the phone line into the expensive of the continuously. The supported platform of CODA into the Linux, it is in all platforms. FreeBSD, NetBSD, Solaris, the Spark and i386, Windows 98.5 by 98, NT, it means the CODA server only. The CODA run under the Linux on the platform. Though I suspect it has been well tested only on the i386 and perhaps the Spark Linux. It was developed originally on BSD system based on the Mac microkernel, so it has been ported to the FreeBSD and NetBSD. It is the latter case again. I suspect it has not been tested as thoroughly some of the other common platform. Thank you.